Hey guys, Chelsea from Byrider Waukesha. Did you know that nowadays minivans are a lot cooler than the vans that we had growing up? Let me show you some of these great features that makes it almost more desirable than these third row SUVs. Not to mention tons more space. With a click of a button, the doors of the trunk will open up. Not only do you have spacious room third row, but tons of trunk room. And look at all of this cabin space. And look, let's take a look on the inside. If your hands are full, that's okay. The door will open for you. On the inside of the cars, you have cabins, bucket seats, spacious and roomy, a DVD player. In addition to the DVD player, the back seat is climate control, which means you can have the air conditioning on in the front and heat on in the back for the kids. Also, the back seats are heated, which means your children or your passengers stay comfy on all long rides. You have electric seats, tons of options on the door as well as on the steering wheel, a crisp, clean backup cam, a fuel economy button, which means you get to save gas while driving, a heated steering wheel, heated seats. So that's one of the fun facts about these new vans. They're roomy, they're spacious, they're sporty, and they're ready to go home with you at the Byrider Waukesha location. Come in and see us today.